And here we're gonna make a final test. So click run once. Alright, send in by email. And finally we have here. So now I'm gonna go to my Gmail account here, and I have here. This is the new email. Alright, I have the text here, and this is the lead magnet. Perfect. Well, now I'm gonna go and see my database. And here we have, this is the name, the email, the phone, the comments, and it was sent. Okay, perfect. Hi everyone, in this video we're going to dive into how to get leads and send them lead magnets automatically. You know, lead magnets are important for businesses because they help attract potential customers and build them an email list, which can lead to more sales. Well, here we have the flowchart. Let me explain you how it works. We're gonna start from Google Forms and get a file from the Google Drive and send by email automatically. And finally, we're gonna save this information in our database. Okay, well, we're gonna start this as always from scratch. So go back here and create a new scenario. Okay, when you're here, type Google Form. The first module is what responses. Okay, and here you just connect with your account. It's so easy. Sign with your Google, and it takes few seconds. For ID, I need this, and here we're gonna go here and create a new template. Forms, and here we have some samples. I wanna use this contact information, and I'm gonna customize this. Well, here, go here, apply an image. I'm gonna apply a new one here. I have an image. Okay, now in this part is done. Perfect. Maybe change the color. This color, I think it's good. And here we're gonna capture the information of our list. Okay, well, here the name is important, email, address, I think that's not needed, the phone number, okay, and the comments. I think it's all. And the next thing here that I'm gonna do is to copy this. I need this ID, this part, copy and paste into here. Okay, click OK. From now on, the next thing that I need to have here is I need to have a lead magnet. For this, I'm gonna go to Canva and create a new one here. Maybe something like, I have a lot of sample here. I'm gonna choose this. Okay, it's perfect. I'm gonna customize this new template. We're gonna use some photos here, and here you have some designs. Looks great, I think. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. you can make this. You're free to customize here. Copy here. Anyway, you're free to customize your own design. Well, I'm not download here. It's done. Go back here, and now I'm not adding here. Go to Drive, and I have a file here. I'm gonna plug this new lead magnet. Alright, this is perfect. Now let's jump into Metacom and add a new module here. Search for file. Select here. This is the test. Here, it's file and folder. Search. Lead magnet. This is the name of the file. Search for the name who contain this. Click OK. The next thing here is to download this file. Here is the same ID of the previous module. And then I'm gonna send an email. In this case, we're gonna use Gmail here and send an email. In this part, do a send to, and here is the value of your Google form. Here I have the email value. Okay. The subject. Hi, this is a gift. Maybe something like this. Just emoji. Okay. And the content. If you wanna customize your content for every client that you were gonna have in the future, you can use maybe ChatGPT. You can go here and write something like description to send a lead magnet. Okay. Alright. It's perfect, I think. I'm gonna copy this, go get in here, and paste. You can give more details about your business depending on what you do. Well, in my case, I think it's okay. I'm gonna click here. And the last thing here is I'm gonna add a new row in my database. Okay? So, for this, I'm gonna create a new template here. Create a new one. The title, lead magnet. Okay. And here, I'm gonna save the name. I have here this name, email, phone number, and that's all I think. Okay. Mail, the phone, the comments, And here, I'm gonna change the color here. Close. And well, and here, okay, schedule or send. Well, I'm gonna change the color here. Okay, it's done. The first is this. Oh, all right. Now, okay. Now, in here, we're gonna search lead. That's your name. Okay, and here we're gonna complete that comes from the first module, the Google form, the value, the email value, and the phone. Here I have comments, and here. All right, everything is done. Now I'm gonna make a test here. I'm gonna go to my Google form, and I have here everything. I'm gonna click here, the preview, and say some names here. This is only example. My email, the phone number, you can invent, and here the comments. Good day. Okay, and I'm gonna submit this. Click. All right. Now I'm gonna go in here. In this case, click only this module. Perfect. I have here the values. Okay, these are the values. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna change these values. And here I'm gonna have these new values. This is the new parameter, and that's all. And one thing I need to add here is this attachment. Okay, click OK. And here in this part is the same thing. I need to go here, type the value, is the name. And this part is the email. And here is the phone number, the comment. Okay. And here is the same. Click OK. Alright. Now I'm gonna make a final test in this part. Everything is done. Go in here, and for this, I'm gonna send the name, the email. You can fill out all these fields. Alright, I'm gonna click again, submit. Okay, and here we're gonna make a final test. So click run once. Alright, send in by email. And finally we have here. So now I'm gonna go to my Gmail account here, and I have here. This is the new email. Alright, I have the text here, and this is the lead magnet. Perfect. Alright, well, now I'm gonna go and see my database. And here we have, this is the name, the email, the phone, the comments, and it was sent. Okay, perfect. Well, remember, when you capture leads, it's important that you give them some lead magnets because this boosts your sales. You know, this attract prospects who are interested in your product or service, which can lead to more conversions and finally sales. Okay, and in addition, it's important to build an email list. Now, you can copy this link when you have here. You can copy and paste in your website, or you can paste in your social medias, and you will automatically get new potential clients. Create a marketing strategy, and thus have new clients. Okay, well, I think that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.